Tired of greasy, oily sunscreens that clog your pores? Let's talk about a new launch that's got everyone buzzing. The Derma Co's 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Gels. If you guys have been following me, you know that I have been raving about their Aqua Gel so many times in multiple of my videos, and I have absolutely loved their sunscreen. And now they have come up with 3 more variants for each and every skin type. All these sunscreens are in vivo tested by the government certified external lab, and yes, the results confirm exactly what's written on the tube: SPF 50 plus and PA4 plus protection. No exaggeration, just science. Now let's find out what exactly they have changed in these sunscreen. Is the formula is same or something has really changed in the formulation? But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, because I know 87% of you who are watching have not subscribed to my channel yet. Hit that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Now let's get into it. So the Derma Co has launched a series of new sunscreens that are targeted towards different skin type. We have one for normal to oily skin, one for oily and acne prone skin, and one for dry to sensitive skin. First, let's talk about this normal to oily skin one. This got SPF of 50 and PA4 plus. Now this formulation contains bunch of humectants. On the top of the ingredient list there are a few of the glycols, and glycerin is there, one moisturizing ingredient is there, and then you will get few of the new generation filters. These are basically organic filters which will protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays. Apart from that, this definitely contains sodium hyaluronate at a concentration of 1%, and you will find niacinamide in the formulation. There are few of the plant sugars, and after phenoxyethanol you will get some of the antioxidants and some more glycols, vitamin E, allantoin, and some of the fruit extracts. Texture of this particular one is really nice. It has a beautiful light, I won't say it's a lotion, I won't say it's a gel cream, it's a very light texture, blends so effortlessly and gets sink into your skin quickly. It doesn't leave any kind of a white cast, and once it sink, it doesn't feel anything on your face. So perfect for these summers. Now brand recommend this one for normal to oily skin, but if you're a person who is acne prone, they can also go for this one, because as such इसके अंदर कोई भी oils नहीं डले हुए हैं, and it is a beautiful formulation, almost similar to the OG sunscreen which is from BOJ ka Aquafresh sunscreen. It is kind of a similar, because the ingredients are there, new generation filters are kind of identical, like थोड़े बहुत ingredients same है, and even the texture feels really nice. So if you're looking for a better alternate to your BOJ sunscreen, I think this one is a perfect option. Number 2, we have this one for oily and acne prone skin. Now let's see इसमें ऐसा क्या different है. This one has a oil controlling formula, because of course this one is for oily and acne prone skin. So to regulate that oil and balance that oil, they have used here niacinamide. Plus, for the anti-inflammatory properties which can help to reduce your acne, they have used here zinc PCA. Now this one also contains SPF of 50 and PA4 plus. Again, the sunscreen has 1% of hyaluronic acid in this one. Again, the formulation is fragrance free. The texture of this one is kind of similar to the first one, but I feel this one has a slightly matte finish. Like the finish is different. Like in that it was almost invisible. Now here you will feel slightly matte, or I would say slight velvety finish. So this one is perfect if you are oily, acne prone skin and a person who prefer that non-greasy feel, because it doesn't clog your pores. It also helps to prevent the oily and shiny skin throughout the day. So just to test this, I have done a blotting paper test, where one side of my face I applied this sunscreen, and after 2 hours you can see there is no oily residue, which means this stands out the best, because there are many sunscreen in the market which are oil based, and while they protect your skin, but they often leave you with a dull greasy look, also clogged your pores, which leads to breakout. But this oil-free formulation is perfect for people who don't prefer that shiny face. This will give you that perfect hydration, and at the same time helps to control that excess oil, and of course anti-inflammatory zinc PCA is there to control your acne. Third, we have this for dry and sensitive skin. Now इसमें ऐसा क्या है? Now this particular formulation contain panthenol which is soothing and this got ceramide complex. जिसमें आपको मिल रहे हैं 5 types of ceramide including ceramide EOP, NG, NP, AS and AP, which is great for sensitive as well as dry skin. It will help to protect your barrier and keep your barrier healthy. Texture of this one is very light. It is a gel creme consistency, but I would say this one is slightly thicker than the previous two. That of course this one is specifically for dry skin. This will gives you that extra nourishment and extra moisturization. That doesn't mean that it will give you that heavy feeling or you will feel sweaty after using this one. अच्छे से सिंक हो जाती है, but yes, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्चराइजेशन आपको इसके साथ फील होता है. दैट ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज दिस वन इज फॉर ड्राई स्किन. नाउ इफ यू आस्क मी विच वन इज माई फेवरेट, सो सी दिस पर्टिकुलर वन इज फॉर ड्राई स्किन ब्यूटीज. सो इफ यू आर अ ड्राई स्किन person, this one is for you. Now out of these two, if you ask me which one is my favorite, so see, one is for oily and acne prone, one is for normal to oily skin. I feel both of them have a kind of a similar ingredients and kind of a similar texture and the feel and after feel. But if you're a person who is more towards acne, like if you're oily skin as well as you face acne, then I think this acne prone version is for you because it's got that anti-inflammatory ingredients, zinc PCA, and this gives you a slight matte finish and of course helps to control the excess oil. So if your main concerns are the acne and that oily feeling, then this one is perfect for you. But if you are a normal to oily skin, then this particular one is for you because it's got all of the right ingredients and has a very light texture. Like I said, kind of a similar to BOJ ka Aquafresh sunscreen. You can go for either of these, but if you ask me, I would choose this normal to oily skin one. If you're interested to get any of these sunscreens, we have a special code for you which is Bhavna 2025 for 20% off only on the Dermaco's official website. And whenever you're purchasing anything from them, they will link your order to a child education through their Young Scientist initiative along with Bhumi, जहाँ पे ये बच्चों को education provide करते हैं, so you can help in that mission as well. I have provided the link in the description. Do check it out and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.